This is NOAA Weather Radio, operating on a frequency. The National Weather Service have issued a tornado warning for the following locations in Kentucky: Lexington, Frankfort, Louisville, Georgetown, Shelbyville, Winchester, Stamping Ground, Nicholasville, Versailles, Radcliffe, Bardstown, Elizabethtown, Withrow, Higgrove, Shepherdsville, Jeffersontown, Waddy, Suddyville, and Litchfield. Winds across these counties may get stronger. Everyone in these residents are being advised to shelter in place. Do not leave your shelter until further notice.
The following message was being transmitted at the request of the Jefferson County Emergency Management Agency. A tornado warning had been issued for the following counties in Kentucky: Jefferson, Bullitt, Nelson, Spencer, Shelby, Oldham, Trimble, Henry, Carroll, and Owen. Power outages, tree damage, and more will most likely to occur, so all residents in the affected counties are strongly advised to seek an underground shelter now. This message will repeat when it is possible. Repeating, a tornado warning had been issued until further notice.